Good afternoon, Alice.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Congratulations on being selected as eminent participant of our conference.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm really honored to be selected as an eminent participant in this conference.
Well, we are also grateful that we have participants like you. And I hope you and your family is fit and fine in such a COVID situation. So,
yes, thank you. We are fine.
Okay. So, Alice, tell me something about you. Introduce yourself.
So, my name is Alice Bodoc. I'm from Romania. I'm a senior lecturer of Romanian linguistics in Transylvania University from Brașov. That is a very beautiful and fine city in Romania, where I am inviting you all because it's maybe the most beautiful town in Romania. So I'm working in the Department of Theoretical and Applied Linguistics at this Transylvania University.
Okay.
My research interests focus on adverbial clauses, on the morphosyntactic structure and development of Romance languages, more precisely.
Okay.
And the paper that I presented in that conference, in the 8th Dubai International Conference on Social Sciences and Humanities, was just a small part of a bigger project that I'm working on.
Okay.
The presentation was entitled VS Syntactic Configurations in Romance Adverbial Clauses. And I consider that although there are many studies on the topic of adverbial clauses, the research of these syntactic structures is still an endless, how should I say, topic, and a very intriguing task for me and provoking.
Okay.
A source of knowledge. Every syntactic, semantic, or pragmatic aspect reveals a new and interesting phenomena that encourages authors to develop various theories or to ask more and more questions about the complexity of language in general. So this is me. About my social life, what can I say? I have 2 kids. I'm very proud of them.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a mother and a wife and a teacher and so on. I do my best to do all these jobs as good as I can.
That's very great. And the research topic is also very interesting. So you are writing your research paper in English only. The language is English.
No, not only in English. I also write a lot in Romanian, in my language, because I'm a Romanian teacher, Romanian language teacher. Yes, and of course for the international publications, I have to write in English, and also for the international scientific events that I participate in. Yes, this is the language usually.
So you are good in both languages.
Oh, let's say I do my best in English, but I'm good in Romanian, of course.
Of course, that's a native.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, Alice, what was your motivation during COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
In my opinion, although we are going through a very difficult period, a very difficult time due to COVID problems, we must continue our lives, our activities, our research, and also be connected to each other, to other researchers of the field, all over the world, maybe. Yes, and this is a huge opportunity to participate in a scientific event like that. So my motivation comes from the fact that I really understand very well the importance of continuing our collaboration, of continuing developing new and insightful research networking. So this type of event gives us, to all of us, the chance to interact with researchers from different domains, to enlarge my view or our views on various topics, because it is very well known the fact that interdisciplinarity is very important nowadays. So yes, my motivation comes from this idea that we have to continue our activity, our lives, of course, in a special period with special conditions, and yes, we have to adapt ourselves to the situation that we are going through. Yes.
I totally agree. In my
Yes.
point of view, that no pandemic should halt our any activity.
Yes, yes. Nor the personal activities also. I
True.
also believe
Very
that
true.
we should continue our lives, although it's very difficult indeed to do that. Yes.
Very true. I totally agree.
We have to be careful, of course. We have to keep ourselves safe, but anyway, we should continue.
Yeah.
This is not the end.
Exactly.
I definitely believe this cannot be the end. So we must continue our lives and our activities as well.
Exactly. There were many people who became pessimistic, but yes, you are absolutely right. We should be optimistic and we should see the better things also.
Yes, I'm a very optimistic person, actually. So
Actually,
that's why my motivation comes from my optimism.
Very nice. So, Alice, what is your opinion on attending online conference rather than physical during the pandemic?
I would say that this is a great opportunity. This is a great chance for us to continue our activities, because I consider that attending an online conference rather than a physical one during this pandemic period represents a great chance for us as researchers,
Yes.
especially because it gives us the certainty that we can be safe. We can stay at home, but anyway, to be connected to each other, to interact with each other, to continue our activities, as I said before. So we can be at the same time protected by from this terrible, dangerous virus, and also be in connection to other researchers of the field and to continue our researcher. Yes,
Exactly.
So this is a great chance. This is a great opportunity to participate in online events like that. I totally appreciate this kind of work. Actually, much of the work became online. So our courses, some of our courses, because you see, I'm in a classroom now.
Yeah, I was actually seeing.
I'm in the faculty because I had classes until 11:30. So anyway, many of the activities are online now. So we have to adapt, and this is a very good chance for us to continue to participate in an online conference like that.
Appreciated, Alice.
Yes.
So would you suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend a conference online?
I definitely will encourage my colleagues to participate, and I actually did that.
I was about to ask you.
Yes, I did that. And in a conference that I attended in August, I suppose, to Barcelona, also organized by Eurasia Research. Yeah. I came with one of my colleagues and my friends, Monica Gomoescu, who is also working with me in Transylvania University. So yes, I encourage all my colleagues and friends to participate, to attend a conference online in general, and especially the conferences organized by Eurasia Research team. Yes, I really appreciate this activity that you have and the organization. Yes, because I know this implies hard working, a lot of work from a big team.
Yeah.
Yes. And of course, I encourage all my colleagues and my friends to participate in all your events.
Thank you so much, Alice, and we are grateful for your appreciation.
You're welcome.
So, your positive feedback about our conference, although you have given us many compliments, but still.
Yes. Well, I have more to say. So first of all, I want to thank you for organizing this scientific event, because it was a great experience for me, and not only for me, I'm sure for all the
For us
presenters.
as well.
Yes, I've learned many things that I'm sure it will help me in my teaching, researching, and in general in my life. I've learned a lot of things that I'm grateful for. I also appreciated the other presenters, and I congratulated them, because indeed I think that they were all excellent. I appreciate their positive attitudes, willingness of explaining concepts, the opportunities to ask questions. So the insights that I have gained from this conference exceeded my expectations. So it was really wonderful, insightful, and very, very well organized. And this is something that I appreciate a lot. So thank you, and congratulations on your team and on your work.
Thank you so much, Alice.
So it doesn't matter how many times I attend the conference that you organize, I always learn something new, something interesting. I hear new things, and I always appreciate a participation like that. So thank you.
Thank you, Alice. And even I'm grateful that you attended this interactive session. So
you're welcome.
Yeah.
It was my pleasure.
I hope you might be having a busy schedule.
Yes, I am indeed. And in this period, we are preparing for Christmas. So
okay, so Merry Christmas
celebrate
in advance.
Christmas in Romania. Yes, and this is a very complicated period. But anyway, thank you for inviting me and for organizing this interview. It is indeed a great honor for me to be selected the eminent participant of a conference.
Okay, Alice. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.
Yes, thank you. I will.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.